welcome to We Love Orchids. So today we have another unboxing. This is a delivery that came today to my job. And it arrived from
K. Perry.
Alright, so one of the reasons we do unboxings is to let the sender know that we received them. So, yes, we did receive it today.
And also show you the beautiful orchids we ordered.
As always, I really don't know what's in here. My wife is the one, Ileana's the one that always decides what she wants to get.
So, K. Perry has a website called Aloysius, and she puts her own collection out there, and she sells keikis, seedlings, and sometimes she gives out rescue orchids that she doesn't want to keep due to certain reason, maybe dehydration, or she just doesn't want them. So we become their adoptive parents also. But I did order 5 orchids.
No, there's more than that.
Yeah, I ordered 5 orchids, but she also sent me the freebies she was announcing in her YouTube channel. 8
that we're going to show in this video. I just took out a few just to start with, so we're just going to put them to the side.
Yeah, so we don't really know what it is unless they have a tag. Let's see.
All right, here we go.
Okay.
Starting with this one.
Let's see. This is Albino Dosa HEB by C. Mark Jones. This one she did not charge me for. So hopefully we could recuperate it and become a healthy plant.
Nice.
She's our new adopted baby.
All right. Okay.
Let's see. Okay, this one I did purchase. Is Fal Bastianii by Sib. She's a little cutie.
Cool. Is that a sequential?
I'm not sure. I think it is.
Looks like a sequential. Cool.
Yeah, she should be a sequential. If not, it's just a regular Phalaenopsis. I read on it, but I have a short span memory.
Oh, here's the tag.
Okay. This one is an Oncidium Sherry Baby Red Fantasy.
Really?
And it's growing a new growth right there. So we gotta hydrate her ASAP.
We don't have any sherry babies.
No sherry babies.
Right.
The poor thing needs water.
If this one makes it, this will be our first one.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay.
All right.
Let's put her together here. She did say it's dehydrated, and this is part of her sherry baby that just came off.
Here you go.
This one is a BC Pawela Spots. I believe this one is also one that fell off her plant. So hopefully this one will do fine.
Cool.
It divided itself, let's say.
Here you go.
Okay. This is Yellowbird. This is one that she announced that is super desiccated. But I do see roots and stuff, so hopefully it has some eyes and we could bring her back to life because she looks very, very like almost going to the other world.
I know you're going to work on that
one.
But
she didn't charge me for this, so yeah, I have to work on her, the poor thing. Okay.
Oh, this one feels big and heavy.
Yeah, this one I purchased. This one is the BC Hippodamia. It's pretty good size. Yeah, she's in a 4-inch pot. Yeah, this one looked pretty good. It got a lot of sun, anthocyanin. So all of these I'm going to give them some water, a nice drink.
Yeah, I put close up.
She has cute roots. The tips of the root are pink.
Nice.
And she has a beautiful flower. I think this one is maybe crossed with Richard Mueller. I don't recall.
I was about to throw this out. Look at the tiny...
Oh, no, don't throw this out. So this is Dendrobium Jonathan Glory. This was a keiki freebie that she was giving out. I have to rehydrate it too. So those are tiny keikis.
All right. Cool.
Those were free also. This one I also paid for. This one has a lot of leaf issue. Let me see if this is Brassia verrucosa Lucero AMAOS. So she has a new growth coming out. Those leaves look, I don't know if they're sun stressed or they have something, but I'll look into it.
I like that name, Lucero.
Lucero.
There's a Spanish actress, singer. Her name is Lucero.
Yes.
All right.
So yeah, we'll
Well,
try to.
babe, I think that's it.
Yeah, I think that's it.
So let's, little by little,
So
bring them all over.
So of course I will be putting them in separate places so that they don't, if they come with anything, they don't give it to the other plants. We're gonna quarantine them.
Yes.
And so I purchased 5 plants, and I believe 2 or 3 of them were freebies.
All right. So this is our unboxing video. Thank you, Kay. And we'll be doing updates in the near future. As always, thank you for watching. And remember, we love orchids, and you should too.
Yep, you better.
All right.
Bye.
Take care.